Malawas ko po kayo ng Banquet.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna.
Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako'y Louis Season.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Yup. And for today, nandito po tayo ngayon sa San Fernando, Pampanga, and we were invited for the special gathering of the Suppliers Night dito po sa Pampanga. So we're gonna meet all the event suppliers, event prestige, mga event organizers. We're gonna meet them here. So if you're interested to know more about this event, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Let's go!
Hi, I'm Camille Aday. I'm from the Banquet. We would like to welcome all of you here. Malawas ko po kayo ng Banquet.
We came to party all night long.
The Banquet po kasi, meaning it's a feast. It's a like gathering po. And every event po kasi, we are with the people that we love, friends po, memories. We celebrate feast.
So, start of the event, medyo cocktails muna tayo and with some, string bands. This is at Banquet, guys.
At kami po talagang catering services. And then, pangarap na po na yung parents ko na magka-event place. And then, hindi po. May tupad na po yung pangarap na. Big-open kami niyang March 2020. O na yung isabayan sa pandemic. Yung mag-start na ulit mag-allow events sa City of San Fernando. And then, kami po mag-accept ulit correct isang mag-events as long as we are following po guidelines and protocols po of City of San Fernando.
The night is young, don't need anybody else.
San Fernando, Pampanga.
We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Like to invite everyone po to check the Banquet. Is located along Lazitin Boulevard, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, and you can check our Facebook and IG page po, the Banquet. If you have inquiries po, you can message us po.
Grabe, that event was a blast.
Yes.
What can you say, Mark?
So sobrang ganda ng event. So something new na pupuntahan dito sa San Fernando, lalo na sa mga nag-i-events and sa mga naghahanap ng mga places to have your parties.
Exactly, so sa mga taga San Fernando or even yung mga municipalities and cities near San Fernando, this is another place for you to hold your events, your special occasions, even family gathering, mga ganyan. So this is the Banquet, and we would like to thank Sir Cacai for inviting us as well.
Yeah.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye, guys.